back with another unpackaging. I know y'all are like, why does he always wear the same shirt? Well, this is one of the shirts that I actually got kind of for free. They sent me the wrong shirt once. They actually sent me this shirt instead of the, I think it was the Giyu shirt that I wore in the last video. They sent that instead. I'm like, what? So I was able to get the 2 Tanjiro shirts since I already had one. So one I have in there I wear out. This one I usually wear just for casual things, walking around the house or, you know, stuff like that. The other ones I use mainly for if I go out to eat, movies, stuff like that. But anyways, let's get to the unpackaging. So this one, I want to say is the Delta Vent Gear. I did order 2 sets of those. I wanted to test those out, see the sizings and everything before getting the other ones. But I'm going to put those out to organize real quick. And those I'll probably wear for arm day and so on. Push day, pull day, stuff like that. Oh, I also got a new hoodie that I got because I was like, you know what? I need a hoodie. Got it. Cool, so that's all I got there. All right. First, let's lead with this since we haven't got that yet. So, with the maybe a few months ago, they released some Bleach gear. And they finally released his leggings, which I have the top for. Yeah. So I was like, you know what? I gotta get this. So I ended up getting it. Yeah. They look pretty nice though. I like the how does it quad look right there. So this is definitely good for leg day. But of course, with that, it comes with the shorts. So I had to get the shorts as well. I think I got these, I want to say low cut. It's a little quad up top. And not bad, not bad. And then of course, had to get the hoodie for it too. So you already know how it all goes. When one set goes, the other thing goes. But the hoodie actually looked pretty dope. I liked it a lot, how it looked. So I was like, yes, this is what I want. So there's the hoodie. I thought it was cool, heavy, and kind of like the Stein feel for it. Stein. Yeah, Stein. Stain, not Stein. I always say that for him. The Stain feel with his red hoodie. And then, of course, you have the around his neck. So, not bad. I like it. I like it. Next, since event ones will be the main attraction, we'll go with the hoodie. So, I wanted a hoodie just to go wear that pretty much will go for everything, pretty much. Or I feel like will suit every outfit you could possibly wear. And I hate pullover hoodies. So, we got ourselves an Akatsuki hoodie. I feel like it's pretty simple. The clouds, nothing real big about that. Akatsuki is real simple. I mean, technically, they're not simple, but their design is simple. Put it as in their outfit design. It's black clouds, pretty simple. And I thought that would fit pretty much everything, even on a normal day, but mainly for workouts, since I feel like black and red goes with almost everything, pretty much. For sure, black does. But these hoodies are pretty nice. You saw them with the Deku hoodie from the Stealth suit. So if you want to see that, check that video out. They're pretty nice. I wore that one to the movies and I liked it, so that's why I got another one. So we'll save that one for last since we all know why when you see it. But we'll go with this one. This is the Naruto one for the Vent gear. These is probably one of their newest try to promote gear. I got the one that said Believe It. There's ones that without that, pretty much just the logo, but I had to cave in for words on it. That's just how I am. But with the Vent gear, certain ones, the long sleeve will add more detail to it. So like on the sleeves, you have more going on. But with the Naruto one, it really didn't have it. It's pretty much the sleeve right that is at the bottom as well. But with the Vent gear, kind of have like a mesh feel right here. That's why it's called Vent, so you can air out. But we still have the casual, I guess you could say the casual t-shirt feel. I want to say I got a large, but I could have got an extra large. Let me see. To show the tag. I did open the bag, so let's just check what the bag says. Extra large. So I did get an extra large. The bottoms, I did get a large. So show the bottoms off. I think these I did get the regular low cut. They do have the zipper for the pocket on the sides, and then the vent as well on here. And the easy arrow feel, so you always cool down your body easily. And you get the tag as well, the little dongle. But overall, part like in this one, oh, I forgot to show this one. It says "Believe It" on the side too. They don't always, like I said, the other one. There's another pair that don't have the Saiyans on there, but I had to get them because I'm a sucker for classic Saiyans. But now for the last and one I'm most excited for, I probably wear this one on my bicep day for this program. I'll probably wear tomorrow since I am kind of sick. So I haven't worked out for the past 2 days. I was super sick yesterday. So today I won't work out since I called in sick for work. But I'll wear that one for my tricep day if I'm feeling good tomorrow. And I'll wear this one for Friday for bicep day. But this one's awesome. It's the Lemillion one that says power. Freaking love that, especially Rico, the actor for Lemillion. He says it so well. I love it. And on the back, got the Lemillion or million number. Got the vent field too. So nice. I wonder if Rico will get this one and wear it like under his. He always wears the sleeveless hoodie when he goes to cons. So I wonder if he's going to eventually get this and wear it under it and just be like power, like open it up, and be poof, power. But if you haven't seen the dub for My Hero, just watch his. You see why the dub is pretty dang good. He sets the tone pretty good for it. Not saying other people are bad at it. They're all pretty dang good nowadays, to be honest. But then you got the power on the bottom. And then you got the million on the vent part again. So arrow. I always want to say aerodynamic, but more like cooling down, I guess. Yeah, it is cooling down. What are you talking about? But yeah. So I'm going to put these on and then be right back with it. So we'll go with, what is her one? I mean, we don't have to show off the bleach or they're pretty much the same thing. We'll just show off the Lemillion one. So we'll wear one, showing off the gear since I haven't done an in-depth review of these yet. So let's get our power on. And we're here, y'all. So this is the power, the Lemillion one. I'm not going to show the other one off since I'd rather give a little bit more in depth of how this feels and so on, since this is one of their new ones that they're trying to promote. But yeah, this is super nice. I probably could have got a large, but I do like the more loose feel. The shorts, I do like higher up, or not higher up, but I used to wear basketball shorts all the time, so my shorts are always right here, but not anymore. And ignore the junk in the back. But yeah, here's the power. Delta vent. You could definitely feel a lot loose of here. So it has the casual feel for sure. That's what extra large I went with because I thought it might be pretty nice, but the vent allows it to be more airflowy. So why, in my opinion, the extra large might be a little bit better for me, since I don't like when I start getting the pump, my arm starts getting real tight on the sleeves. I hate that feeling so much. I hate feeling contained so bad. So for me, I like the loose feel, so when I get the pump, it won't be as bad of a tight feel. But overall, super comfortable. Definitely gonna give me the power to end up finishing my bicep set this coming week, on Friday, because I'm gonna have to do a lot of 2 failure curls in between my other sets. So that's gonna be interesting. Overall, hope y'all pick up some Delta Vent gear. It's super nice. And remember, most of the Naruto ones, you could get the short sleeves if you want, Doesn't add much detail here. Lemillion didn't add no detail for it, so that's why I got the short sleeve one. But like Todoroki, Bakugo, Deku, All Might, pretty much all of My Hero ones besides Lemillion had extra detail for the sleeves. So I'm going to pre-order those eventually. And when I do, stay tuned for that on the packaging. Well, y'all, hope you enjoy. Go use the codes of all the ambassadors down below, the ones I did all the unboxing for. And you are amazing for doing so. Take care. Peace.